Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to this SOBSC online lecture. So, we are discussing about the chapter number 2 of ideal and the real solutions from last 5 to 6, 7, 8 lectures. So, we already studied about the ideal solutions, real solutions and their corresponding concepts of ideal solutions, that is Raoult's law and the Henry's law, where in case of the real solutions we studied about the concept of real solutions. What is meant by real solutions? Their PL diagram, that is a vapor pressure diagram of real solutions, and as well as boiling point diagrams, azeotropic mixtures and the fractionating column. All these things we studied in the previous lectures. Today we are going to study the very important concept of the solubility of partially miscible liquids, where we studied ideal solutions, real solutions, and next we are moving towards the solubility of partially miscible liquid pairs. What is meant by partial miscible liquid pairs? First of all, we have to understand the concept, and where the partially miscible liquid pairs, for example, if a take of for example of phenol and the water system, in a test tube or in a small a tube, water is taken and add little amount of phenol, small amount of phenol is added, and if it shake it properly, what happens? The phenol, it dissolves in water, means it forms a homogeneous single phase. It forms homogeneous single phase in small amount, in small quantity, See, this is the very important, where if phenol in small amount, if it is added into the water, the phenol is dissolved or phenol is miscible, where the phenol forms a single phase, means it is phenol is completely miscible with the water when it is added in the small quantity. When the same phenol, if a phenol in large quantity, if it is added in a large quantity, if it is added into the same water, what happens? This time phenol is immiscible with the water. It means what? Phenol up to certain extent it is miscible, means when phenol is added in small quantity into the water, then it forms a miscible liquid pairs, or forms a single phase. Completely phenol is miscible with the water, it forms a single phase. That is, the phenol and the water are miscible when phenol in the small quantity. But at the same time, if phenol is added in the large quantity to the same water, what happens? Phenol and the water, they form the two different phases and the two different layers, means that indicates the phenol in water, those are the immiscible, where this is called as a partially miscible liquid pairs. Why it is called partial? Means small quantity they are miscible, large quantity they are immiscible. But here the partially miscible liquid pairs can be miscible, partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible at a particular temperature. At a particular temperature is known as critical solution temperature. See, where a particular temperature is there, that is called as critical solution temperature. Critical solution temperature, this is also called as CST, where that is critical solution temperature. Now this concept comes to here, where the solubility of partially immiscible liquid pairs, means partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible at a particular temperature. That temperature is called as the critical solution temperature, where this partially immiscible liquid pairs or partially miscible liquid pairs, they are of the three types, whereof three types, that is type 1, where type 1 maximum solution temperature, this is also called as upper consolate temperature, and type 2 minimum solution temperature, minimum solution temperature. This is also called as lower consolate temperature, lower consolate temperature. Now third one, which is type 3 of maximum and minimum solution temperature. Maximum and minimum solution temperature. This is also called as upper and lower consolate temperature. Consolate temperature. It means what? Where this partially miscible liquid pairs are of three types, where maximum solution temperature type, minimum solution temperature type, and maximum and the minimum solution temperature, where maximum is also called as the upper consolate temperature, minimum is called as the lower consolate temperature, and maximum and the minimum solution temperature also called as upper and lower consolate temperature. Where now first of all, as we studied the concept of the solubility partially miscible liquid pairs. What is partial liquid pairs? They can be soluble up to certain extent. Means those are two different liquid pairs are there. They are soluble in a small quantity up to certain extent. But we have to soluble those liquid pairs in a large quantity by supplying the temperature, where at a certain temperature the partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible at a particular temperature. That temperature is called as the critical solution temperature, where these solutions are classified are in a three types. One is the maximum solution temperature, minimum solution temperature, and the maximum and the minimum solution temperature. Let me see one by one. The first start with the maximum solution temperature. Example, the best example is phenol water system. That is phenol water system, just as I told as phenol water system. Now what is phenol water system? Phenol and the water initially, as I told, if in a water small quantity of phenol is added, then that will be soluble, that will be miscible. Where large quantity of phenol is added into the water, that forms a immiscible liquid pairs. Where this immiscible liquid pair of system, phenol water system, can be miscible at a particular temperature, that is above certain temperature, where this is the maximum solution temperature type of the liquid pair is there. Therefore, the phenol and water are miscible above certain at or above certain temperature is known as the maximum solution temperature. Above or at certain temperature means here this phenol and the water system can be miscible at or above certain temperature, means if a particular temperature is given, above the temperature or at certain temperature, at that certain temperature the phenol and water system can be miscible. For example, if let me consider we have a graph with the where we can see the phenol water system here. For example, here temperature is taken, temperature that is on y axis in degree Celsius, where the percent of phenol is there, percent of phenol is taken on x axis, where the if we form a graph where it forms like this. This is the point where 66 degrees Celsius, where the percentage is 33% of the phenol, where above this is a particular temperature, this is called as CST, critical solution temperature of this phenol water system. Now see, where in this case we can understand very clearly, this is the homogeneous part, where homogeneous part is there. See, above this temperature means, see, when the temperature, if phenol water system continuously going continuously, temperature is supplying, where the percent of phenol is plotted on the x-axis and on y-axis temperature is plotted, where we can see the corresponding the maximum, there is a maximum is there, as the curve increasing as the maximum temperature, suddenly it is below, where this is the temperature where if it is perpendicularly drawn on the y-axis and here it is the percentage of the phenol where plot on the x-axis, means at 33% of the phenol were dissolved or miscible at 66 degrees Celsius above the temperature, not below, means where if the temperature is 65 or if the temperature is 60 degree, then they both form the immiscible liquid pairs. But above this temperature at 66 degrees Celsius or above the 66 degrees Celsius, the complete phenol and the water are the miscible. See, initially small quantity at the room temperature they are miscible, but if adding the large amount, then phenol and water are immiscible, but they are miscible at where 66 degrees Celsius, means above 66 degrees Celsius temperature, means for solubility of phenol and water system, we have to supply at least 66 degrees Celsius temperature to miscible the both the liquid pairs, means above the 66 degrees Celsius is known as the homogeneous mixture, where it forms the phenol and water are the miscible liquid pairs. So therefore, maximum solution temperature means where above the critical solution temperature of this phenol water system is 66 degrees Celsius, where above the 66 degrees Celsius the phenol and water system is miscible. This is called as maximum solution temperature or upper consolate temperature. Okay. Now let me see second type, minimum, that is, this is the example of the upper consolate temperature. Likewise the same thing, that is second one is the minimum consolate temperature. Very simple, means minimum means below the temperature, minimum solution temperature, that is lower consolate temperature, that is called as the lower consolate temperature, where the example here we can see, that is triethylamine. Example here we can see triethylamine and the water, that is triethylamine and the water, triethylamine water, that is tea water, that is also called as tea and the water. This is the short form of tea, where the CST of this triethylamine and the water system, which is the temperature is 18.5 degree, 18.5 degree, where the percent composition is, where the percent composition of the nicotine, that is 30%. Here we can see. Now what is the next example? Here we can see, that is minimum solution temperature, that is lower consolate temperature, where the triethylamine and the water are immiscible liquid pairs, but they can be miscible at below 18.5 degrees Celsius, means above 18.5 degrees, that is a heterogeneous, but below 18.5 degrees Celsius at 30% of the composition of the triethylamine to the water, that is soluble, that is miscible. Here we can see the diagram, where the same thing on x-axis, if we form water, here it is triethylamine or percent of weight, percent of triethylamine, percent of T, and where the temperature here we can see. So likewise graph is there. Now this is the homogeneous part, where the 18.5 degrees Celsius, here the temperature is there on degrees Celsius, y-axis. This is the CST of 30% of the composition of triethylamine. Now see, now here it is the homogeneous, here it is the homogeneous, here it is the heterogeneous. Now what is homogeneous, what is heterogeneous? Now see, triethylamine and the water is a system at which these are the immiscible liquid pairs, partially immiscible liquid pairs, but it can be soluble, it can be miscible at a particular temperature. What the temperature? At or below that temperature, because it is a minimum, lower lower consolate means it is a minimum or lower, where this triethylamine and the water system can be miscible below this temperature. See, here it is, if you plot a perpendicular on y axis, we get it here, temperature is plotted on y axis, where the 18.5 degrees Celsius and percent composition of the triethylamine in the water, that is the 30%, means below 18.5, at 18.5 or below 18.5, the triethylamine in the water system is the miscible, means where here minimum solution temperature can be defined. It is the temperature at or below this temperature, partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible. Minimum solution temperature can be defined as, this is the temperature at which or below this temperature partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible, where this is the example of minimum solution temperature, or this is called as the lower consolate temperature. Very simple, the CST, that is critical solution temperature, for this triethylamine water system is 18.5 degrees Celsius and the percent composition is 30%. This is the example of minimum solution temperature or lower consolate temperature. Okay. Now let me see type 3, where we studied the maximum solution temperature, that is phenol water system, minimum solution temperature, that is triethylamine water, and the third example, that is third type of this solution, that is maximum and minimum solution temperature, maximum and minimum solution type temperature. This is also called as upper and the lower consolate temperature. Example, nicotine water system. Example is nicotine water system. Here we have the two different type of temperatures, because maximum is there, minimum is there. Therefore, we have the two different of critical solution temperature for this system. Above that temperature, that is the miscible. Below this temperature, again that is the miscible. So the temperatures for a nicotine water system, here we can see 20 CST, that is critical solution temperature. This is 208 degree and 60.8 degrees Celsius, where the percent composition is 34%. See, very important, where this is the example where maximum and the minimum solution temperature is there. Maximum and the minimum solution temperature, it means upper and lower consolate temperature. Here nicotine and water is a miscible liquid pairs, where that is immiscible liquid pair, partially miscible liquid pairs, or this is also called as immiscible liquid pairs, but this can be miscible at or above certain temperature or below certain temperature, means above 208 temperature they can be miscible, and below 60.8 degrees Celsius again they can be miscible, but between that temperature, that is immiscible. Where we can see the graph of this system. From this graph we can understand very easily how the system is there. This is a combination of two different curves. Here. This is the upper curve, this is the lower curve. Therefore, it is combination of upper and the lower curve. We can see here. This is where it is plotted 208 at temperature. On y axis temperature is there, where again it is a plot of two different, as I told, 16.8 degrees Celsius. On x axis water is there and it is nicotine, where percent of nicotine is 34%. See, where the both can be drawn, 34% of nicotine. What is the important here? Here we have to understand very clearly, this is the homogeneous part, this is also homogeneous part, but this is the heterogeneous part. This is the heterogeneous. Now see, means what? We have this temperature up to this level, this is at or above this temperature completely nicotine and water is the miscible. That is 208 degree Celsius, above 208 degree Celsius or at 208 degree Celsius, the nicotine and water system is miscible. Again, below the 60.8 degree Celsius or at 60.8 degree Celsius, again this nicotine water system is the miscible. Again this is the homogeneous part. This is the homogeneous part. This is the homogeneous part. But above the 60.8 to 208, this is the heterogeneous part, where in this temperature that is immiscible. But below 60.8 degree Celsius that is the miscible. Above 208 degree Celsius again that is the miscible. So this is called as maximum type of as well as minimum type of, means maximum and minimum solution temperature of type of a system is that is nicotine water system. So these are the three different systems, very important systems, that is solubility of partially miscible liquid pairs, means where these partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible at a particular temperature, that is called as the critical solution temperature. Where these critical solution temperatures are three types. Type 1 is the maximum solution temperature or upper consolidated temperature, that is it can be defined as this is the temperature at or above that temperature partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible. Example, we are seeing phenol and the water system. Second, that is minimum solution temperature, that is also called as lower consolidated temperature. What is, how it is defined? This is a temperature at or below that temperature partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible. Example, we are seeing triethylamine and the water system, where the triethylamine water system is the example of the minimum solution temperature. Third one, type 3, that is maximum and the minimum solution temperature, that is upper and the lower consolidated type temperature, where the example is nicotine water system. Nicotine water system is a where it can be defined as the maximum and the minimum solution temperature type. It is defined as it is the temperature at above a certain temperature and below certain temperature the partially immiscible liquid pairs can be miscible, that is called as the maximum and the minimum solution type of temperature. Example is nicotine water system. So these are the very important concepts, three different important concepts. We can see the type 1, type 2 and the type 3. Out of the any type, the exam 1 can be asked for the 4 marks. So with this I will stop here. So this is the with this lecture also the syllabus is over. We have the only numericals. I will take one lecture on numericals of the Raoult's law, the calculations of the vapor pressure and Henry's law. So with this topic is also over. We have only one lecture of the numericals. I will continue in the next lecture, that is problems on Raoult's law and the Henry's law. With this I will stop here. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you so much.